Hi, I'm Jared Seil, CEO, CFO, District 15 of Farmers Insurance. We're located in beautiful Denver, Colorado. I have the privilege of working with some of the most successful agency owners throughout the entire country. Currently, our district is one of the top districts in the entire country. There's really three key elements that makes us so successful. Number one, it's our people. At District 15, you'll find industry-leading support from the very beginning of your career with us. I'm very proud to say that my staff has over 80 years of insurance experience combined. You can be rest assured that your business coach has the expertise and the experience to help you avoid those potential pitfalls.
We have so many different staff that are specialized or focus on certain areas, whether it's certain staff members that really focus on working with the newer agents and really helping them get ramped up, or some of us staff that work with the more full-time agents or just focusing on the life insurance. I think that really helps the agents because we can be very knowledgeable in certain areas, and they have so many different people and resources that they can go to for help.
The support that we're getting here is unbelievable, something I've never had really before. It was sink or swim, but here with Farmers, they hold your hand from the first day till the last day. So hopefully that's like 20 years from now.
Number two, processes. One thing I firmly believe in is processes. Even someone who's extraordinary will have a tough time producing ordinary results without the right processes and systems in place. Because of that, my team and I have created very strong systems to make sure that our new agents can get off to a strong start to be very successful from the beginning of the career.
So obviously, we do have them go through online training first and fast track training where they just learn the fundamentals and the basics about the business, about all of our products, how to create a business plan, and how to successfully build an agency. But thereon, you have to repeat that process. So therefore, we have ongoing trainings in order to piggyback off of those basic trainings to further expand their knowledge about, how do you bring on a successful staff person? How do you recruit them, hire them, train them? And how do you keep them helping your agency and building your growth? And then also to expanded marketing trainings. How do I expand my marketing systems? What should I bring on? How do I track the return on investment for those marketing systems? What other products do I need to learn about, such as commercial insurance and writing business insurance, as well as financial services?
We've just worked really hard to push those numbers, and for a couple of years there, it was put your nose to the grindstone and just work it out, and eventually it does pay off. But I'll tell you, it's setting the goal in front of you and knowing where you want to go. You're not going to get there without a plan, and you kind of have to put that plan in motion, and you have to have your staff on board with it as well.
We strive for agency support. In order to support our agents, we like to build their teams and help them to have a stronger, more stable environment. And one of the ways that we do that is finding knowledgeable staff for their teams.
Number three, product. The product portfolio that Farmers Insurance has recently developed and introduced to our agency force is really going to be a game changer for us. It's allowing my agents to sit across from a table and be a consultant to their clients, not just an order taker. The industry will be playing catch up for years to come.
The omni-channel is actually one of the best features as far as becoming an agent, because our agents have the ability to sell through multiple companies as well. It's very unique in the industry, and it allows them to make sure they take care of their customers too. Our agents, they actually own their own business, so it also gives them the opportunity to be able to either A, sell their book of business later on in the future when they retire or something happens to them, and also at the same time they have the ability where they can pass their book of business on to the family member too.
This business gave me an amazing opportunity that I, one, wasn't even looking for, two, didn't even know was available, and three, I can be overwhelmed by how, when you look at the numbers, when you look at the policies, when you look at the clients, it's amazing the people's lives you get to touch. And every person, every policy, every staff person, they're all gifts to me. And it's my responsibility to take good care of them. So what an honor it's been. And like I said, I didn't even know what that meant to be an insurance agent. Most people only think they know about their insurance is that bill, the last bill anybody wants to pay. But when people call you in an intersection and you can hear the sirens in the background, you're really thankful that they were willing to pay that bill that they didn't want to pay, and that they were willing to sit down with you and have a conversation. So it really is an amazing opportunity.
If you ever thought about owning your own business, there may not come a better time than now with District 15 of Farmers Insurance. One of the reasons I came to Farmers Insurance was I wanted to create a legacy, not just for myself, but for my family. If that seems like something you're interested in, please feel free to reach out to us.